Alright, I just got finished adjusting the scope on my gun, and I'm going to shoot down my garage. It's right around 21 feet at this can of Mountain Dew I hung up. It's not very far, but I managed to adjust the scope so it lands in a circle about that much of wherever I aimed. It's pretty good, so I'm just going to shoot down range with that. Set the camera up somewhere where it won't get wet. Let me see. Alright. I'm gonna go shoot it. Here we go. Alright, I just loaded a clip on it, and this is what the can looks like. I think it was about 30 shots. I don't know how full the clip was, but anyway, that's the aftermath. And I only missed one shot.